Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 4 says that we should look out for the word that is almost nearly opposite in meaning to the underlined word. Almost nearly opposite in meaning to the underlined word, and the underlying word in this sentence is fictitious. And the sentence says John gave a fictitious account of the incident, but his son's account was dash. And when it says something is fictitious, simply means that it is fiction or fictional. And when something is fictional, it means that not real. So what is the opposite of fiction or fictional or something that is not real? A, probable. B, compelling. C, factual. D, necessary. When we talk of probable, it simply means likely. So likely. Then compelling means something that is forcing or appealing either to sight or to emotion. Then factual, when something is factual, it means that it is true or real. Then necessary is synonymous to important or important. So by this analysis, we find out that the option that is almost nearly opposite to the underlying word is option C, which is factual. Because when something is factual, it means that it is real. Yes, factual means it is real. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our video.